are guaranteed certain basic rights, which are as follows. You have the right to know and understand the charges against you. You have the right to a speedy trial. You have the right to a trial by a jury, or you may waive or give up that right and have your case tried by a judge without a jury. At trial, the state of Ohio has the burden of proving your guilt by evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to meet your accusers face to face and to cross-examine the witnesses for the prosecution. You have the right to summon or subpoena witnesses on your own behalf. You do not have to testify against yourself. You have the right to counsel. If you are unable to afford an attorney, the court will appoint a lawyer to defend you. At the end of your case, you may be ordered to pay the assigned counsel fees if your judge determines you are financially able. If you choose to hire your own attorney, you have the right to a reasonable continuance to hire one. You are not here for the trial of your case. You are here for a procedure known as your arraignment. An arraignment is your opportunity to be informed of the charges against you, for bond to be set, for you to enter your plea. You do not have to make any statement about the charges against you, but any statement made may be used against you. As your name is called, please step forward. You'll be asked when you received a copy of your indictment and whether or not you understand the charges against you. By law, you have 24 hours before you must respond to the indictment. If it has been less than 24 hours since you received a copy of your indictment, but you wish to be arraigned anyway, you may waive the 24-hour notice, and we will complete your arraignment this morning. If your case is going, strike that. You'll be asked how you plead. A defendant may plead not guilty by reason of insanity, guilty, or with the consent of the court, no contest. If you want to plead guilty and you do not have a lawyer, the court will assign counsel for you, so you may have a full understanding of your constitutional rights. Your case will be assigned to a judge whether you plead guilty or not guilty. If you refuse to plead, the court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. If you've been charged with a crime of violence and/or drug offense, under Ohio law, you cannot knowingly have, carry, or use a firearm or dangerous weapon until your case is concluded. This is called being under a disability. If you violate this disability, you can be charged with a separate felony offense, in addition to the original charges you are being arraigned for today. Even if you have a CCW permit, you are still under a disability until your case is over. In fact, upon the indictment, the sheriff who issued the permit shall suspend it until your case is over. Finally, if you are over 18 and have not provided a DNA specimen since 2011, you may be required to submit one within 24 hours of your arraignment. Inmates in the county jail have the right to be present in the courtroom. Do any of you want to be in the courtroom?
We're fine over here, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
Start with the jail in the courtroom. Kristen Candelario, case number 682-211.
Let the record reflect Robert Forstag will be interpreting for the defendant in this matter. He is employed by the court and is under constant oath to interpret word for word all statements made by the court and the defendant. And counsel, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Chuck Kazelka on behalf of Ms. Candelario. Acknowledge the indictment, waive reading, advisement, and notice. And are not guilty plea. Ask for reasonable bond and for the public defenders to be appointed.
President, also, I'm sorry, from the state of Ohio, Anna Ferralia. Ms. Ferralia, do you wish to address the court?
Yes, Your Honor. This is a very heinous case here in Cuyahoga County. We would ask that you honor the bond commissioner's request for $1 million bail and to continue that, no property, nothing, just $100 million.
$1 million cash is what you're saying?
Yes.
$1 million set bond cash goes to Dr. Judge Brendan Sheehan. Public defender shall represent as one counsel. The second counsel will be Deanna Robertson. And the first pretrial will be July 5th at 9 o'clock. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You can't set up, okay, cash surety property.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
So it is cash.
Yeah.